everybody! So for today's video is mag warm up exercise before ta mag running. Running. Oh, the first atong buhaton is the heel to butt na. Yung ani ra ni ha. Saan siya? Saan siya? Na. 1 2 basta 10 times guys, 10 times. Yeah. The second is to chest. Okay. Ingani ra siya. 1 2 3 4 10 times. Yan yung buhatan. The third, hip rotation. Ana. 1 2 3. So, clockwise and counterclockwise. Oh. Yeah. Number 4, ana atong dapat buhatan. Knee circles, clockwise and counterclockwise. So, paminaw everybody ha, paminaw. Para di ta magbalik-balik. Kapoy pa magbalik-balik ay na i-bend gamay, close, nya, circle, counterclockwise, clockwise. And the fifth, front skip, 10 times reps each side. Ingani siya. I-demo na ko guys. 1 2 3, 10 times. And then the 6th, shoulder rolls, 10 times rep each side. So your shoulder, 1 2 3, ano na siya. And the 7, leg swing. So imo ra siya, leg swing, swing ko na yung TL diha. Oh, ana guys, pero ang kamot guys, 1 2 3, ana. And the 8th, arm circle, clockwise and counterclockwise. 1 2 3. Oh, paano po? Counterclockwise. Oh, and the 9 one, mountain climbers. Mountain, wait ha. Hindi mo dyan ako. Ana. 1 2 3 4. Oh, yung ako raw. Na-easy. Number 10, lunges, 10 times rep each side. Forward inyo hampo, oh. Bend kamay. Ano na siya? 1 2 3. Oh. That's all guys for today's warm up. So ato rang balik-balikan guys before ta mo running, pwede ta pa maulan. So that's all. Bye-bye.